For a speculation of KLIBOR futures, it's very similar to what we discussed before. Speculation means you just take a naked position on the futures contracts. If you believe interest rate will go down in the future, this means that you believe that the future KLIBOR futures price will go up. So you take you long KLIBOR futures. And if you predict that interest rate will go up, this means that you expect KLIBOR futures price goes down, so you short KLIBOR futures. That's all. Here there is an example. A speculator forms a strong opinion that there will be a decline in interest rates and buys 10 June KLIBOR futures at 94.52. So this means that you believe the price will go, you believe that you expect the interest rate goes down. This means that you believe that the KLIBOR futures price will go up, so you long or you buy. This means that you are lending money, right? Borrowing, long, buying future KLIBOR futures means you are lending money, right? And after 1 week, suppose that you close your position at 94.35. So you long 94.5 and you short 94.35. This means that, okay, the selling is less than the buying, so this means that 70 basis point loss. You multiply by 25 tick size, multiply by 10 contracts if there are 10 contracts. This means your loss is 4,225 ringgit. This means that you were wrong. The price went down and you lose money, right? That's all. So speculation means you don't offset your position. So, and if you were right, you make money. If you were wrong, you lose money. That's all.